Hey everyone, the Mechanic Man here, and today I just got a whole bunch of goodies in the mail. Okay, so the other day I ordered some stuff that I needed from Amazon, so let's find out what I got. So, first thing I got was DeWalt 20 volt max 3/8 drive impact wrench with hog ring anvil. I know I said earlier that I wanted all Craftsman C3 products, but they did not have a 3/8 driver. So I already had a bunch of the 20 volt max batteries from DeWalt, so I just figured, what the hell, I'll just get the 3/8 drive wrench. So let's open it up. So, instructions. And the 3/8 impact wrench. So, let's see what the box says. Has a 0 to 2,700 impacts per minute. It goes anywhere from 0 to 2,300 revolutions per minute. Max torque in inch pounds is 1,560. So, yeah, 1,560 inch pounds. And 130 foot-pounds, and if you wanted to know, it's 176 Newton meters. I guess that's what it is. Tool length is 5.7 inches, 145 millimeters, and the weight without the battery in it is 2.2 pounds. So, let's get a close look. Looks like it has 3 LED lights. Really small. Kind of like it, you know. It's not too big. Right here you can add those belt clips that they have that you can attach there, and then it just hooks to your belt. Same thing on this side. Push in on this side. It's forward. The middle, it's off. Way to the right is reverse, I believe. My battery somewhere. Okay. So, battery slides in. So, all the way to this side in, all the way in. Tightens it. All the way to the left, loosens. So, yeah. Pretty good. Okay, let's see what else I have. So, another goodie that I bought is this. It's for my DeWalt paint gun. It's the D cups. So what this is, these are 9 ounces, so you put this on the end of your spray gun, and this basically goes in it like that. But what you do is you get special liners that you put in. That way you don't have to spend a lot of time cleaning. So I will go show you right now. So I just got my spray gun, so this one goes a little closer. So basically what you do, like this, screws right into place like that. Then you pour the paint in there, and there you go. that. Again, you have the liners that would go in there so that you don't have to clean as much. Whereas what you would normally have to do, obviously not with this attachment right there, but you have this giant big old cup filled up, and then you would have to clean that after. So just saves time, really, and saves time and cleaning product, because you won't have to be cleaning as much items. So really need that. Again, this is 9 ounces. They do make a 24-ounce one. Yeah, it comes in 2 packs so that you can set up 2 guns. And in the box it also comes with instructions, and it also has some paint mixing guide to help you measure. So it's pretty cool. I've been wanting to get one of those. Soon I will be getting the 24-ounce so that I can just use it for bigger jobs. So let's see what that is. Last thing that's in the box that actually goes along with the 3/8 impacts is 3/8 impact socket set. SAE and metric. Includes standard and deep sockets from 8mm to 19mm, and standard and deep SAE from 5/16 to 3/4. Has a universal joint and 3-inch extension. Blown molded case for durability and lifetime warranty. So let's open this up. And it's a little unorganized, like some of the stuff came out, so 5/16 there, 1/16 there. So this is what you get. Yeah, I needed a set. Needed a set. I started looking around, then I just saw this one. Thought I've heard good things about this brand, so decided to give it a shot. So this is the universal joint. Let's see. Most likely be using 10mm a lot. So there you go. So yeah, that's what I bought. But there's one more thing that I got from Harbor Freight yesterday. Now, with me, I like having all my stuff be organized and easy to get to. And right now, this really isn't all that easy to get to. I have a box that I need to open the lid every time. So, what I bought, socket holders. I have these for my chrome sockets, so now I have them for my impact sockets. Came in a pack of 3, quarter, 3/8, ½ inch, both SAE and metric. I put my, well, my 1/2 inch used to be like in a tray that laid down. And then yesterday when I bought them, I put the 1/2 inch standing up. So I'm going to do the same with the 3/8. So give me 1 second and I'll show you what it looks like. So I ran into a little bit of a problem. So tried putting them all in. They just get tight. Like it's like a little too tight to actually fit in. So like this one, it's just not enough room in between the spaces. So what I might actually have to do, yeah, they won't even really fit unless I jam it in. So yeah, what I have to do is just leave the 10s off to the side. Or actually what I might do is this. Yeah, because the 10 will fit there. The 10 won't fit there. So let's bring everything down 1. Maybe that will help the situation. This kind of sucks, but it's what I might have to do. Well, this one will go in now. There we go. Jeez. Well, it's gonna have to be this way, I guess. Cross out those numbers and just put in what they actually are. So that's what I have. Yeah. Actually, I mean, it's easy to get to, but I think I'm just gonna leave them in the box because this will just get confusing a little bit. Might actually use that for is if I get 12-point sockets. I'll put those in there. Like I have the my quarter inch holders. I might just put some 12-point sockets in there. So I'll give that a try. So this is probably just how I'm gonna leave it. Oops. So I don't know if it's Harbor Freight's fault for making the posts too close together, or if it's the impacts are just so wide that they don't fit. Thinking it might just be these impact sockets because they're a little bit thicker. I think that might be actually what it is because I had no problem with my chrome sockets. But yeah, I didn't have this problem with my 1/2 inch sockets at all. So I don't know. I actually have some other tools that I've got recently that I've taken pictures of that I've posted on my Facebook page. So if you haven't checked that out, go on facebook.com/themechanicman92. Might do a toolbox tour today just to show you guys all my new tools. So I did do a different layout. So that'll be new. What else? Oh yeah, I'm actually really upset with my Snap-on guy. So, y'all know I've been waiting for, or that I bought something from Snap-on for about 2 weeks ago. Well, yeah, the guy said 2 weeks, so yesterday, Thursday, was the 2 week mark. I went up to the Snap-on guy at my school and I said, hey, I was wondering if I could see the tracking information on it. And he looked it up and he's like, oh, I pressed the wrong button. It hasn't even shipped out yet. And I'm just like, what? I've been waiting for 2 weeks and now I have to wait more. So he was just like, yeah, it'll be back in about a week. It'll be at your house in less than a week. So I'm upset by it. Paid in cash. Should have paid in card, but I didn't want to. Um, so yeah, I'm upset about that. Um, I guess the Snap-on Saturday will start as soon as I get my freaking Snap-on tools. Cause he just comes in like a corporate car, I think, or his own personal car. He doesn't have any of the tools on him unless people are just picking them up from the actual school. So, I mean, I'm upset. Really upset. I don't know. This makes me kind of not want Snap-on just based on my experience that I've had with this guy. Um, yeah, so anyway, hopefully next Thursday I will, or next, yeah, hopefully next Thursday I will get the Snap-on tool or my Snap-on purchase come in and I can show you guys on Saturday. Or maybe even sooner. I don't know yet. Because I'm just really bummed about this. So, yep, this is all the stuff that I got today. Link will be in the description of where you can get these. So, oh yeah, my contest ends. I'm doing a giveaway for the Husky ratcheting wrenches. I even added a few extra wrenches that I had as well. So the giveaway, I believe, ends tomorrow, which is Saturday. So as soon as you guys, yeah, just go. I'll post a link in the description for that video as well, and just watch the video. Go into the description to see how you can earn the Husky ratcheting wrenches. You can also go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/mechanicman92, and you can check that out there as well. Yeah, so like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.